Today, I'm here at Blackpool Pleasure Beach, home to some of my favourite rides in the UK. Big ones, park icons, and barely working bears. Avalanche is intense. As you can probably tell from these pumpkins, I'm here for Halloween to check out Journey to Hell Freak Nights. Where I'll be doing some mad mazes, some scary shows, and potentially invading some space. Gotta thank Richard for that one. Comment below, do you get the hint? Now, you guys have probably seen me teleport, but have you ever seen me time travel? To the early afternoon. Didn't even need a time machine. That's skills. Do you know what else is skills? Subscribing with notifications turned on. It looks like we could be getting a ride on the big one. Oh my God. We've got people in scary masks. We've got massive werewolves. And we've got people playing with fire. That is lit. I love everything here. And I do. Just all the scary stuff gives me major anxiety. I'm extremely scared of the scare mazes, and today we have 6 different zones to conquer. So I'm gonna have to overcome my fear and do my very best to review them for you guys. Wish me luck. I'm stashing my blood juice in the truck because we've got our first of the scare zones to do in the river caves. The legend of the cursed river caves. Wonder what mysteries await. Oh my God, he looks straight at us.
Good luck, Sam. Good luck. Don't forget to...
Carl, what are you doing? Someone's scared.
A little count, mate.
River Caves was terrifying. I'll do my best to review it, even though I'm shook. So, I believe there were 4 different sections with actors in there. It was low lit, but you could still see things. And, yeah, it made me scream like a child, so...
It was funny.
Did the job. Funny and scary.
It was hilarious.
You're hilarious.
Thank you.
Now, we're going to do an attraction even scarier than the scariest of scare mazes. Might even be the scariest ride on park. Infusion. She's a right catch. I'm not just saying this because I'm at an event and I'm a little bit overstimulated, but that...
Best ride of Infusion I've ever done. I was worried about that, but that was mint. Bit headbangy, but that was brilliant, wasn't it? Sorry.
No, Carl, you said it all. I agree with every word. Obviously, the best ride on Infusion isn't saying much, but you know every ride's better in the dark. That's why the werewolf's here. Very ambient. Hold on. If I'm not mistaken, please do correct me if I am mistaken. I think I've just found a cool photo opportunity.
Hey, I've had to take his tickets off because he keeps losing them.
Next up on the spooky to-do list, the big one in the dark. Now this is a roller coaster, so I'm gonna be okay with it. But it's in the dark, so it'll be heavily amplified and the experience is gonna be amazing. Yeah, I'm excited for this. Just a straight roller coaster in the dark and no scare actors here to get me. Hello. Spoke too soon. No, I'm not. I'm genuinely alarmed. I'm really alarmed here. Look, I'm filming it.
I can see myself.
Oh no, I am.
Good that. Enjoyed that.
I love that's my review now. Ride on the big one was amazing. It was really tall, obviously. It was running. It was running rapid, and it was so dark. Slightly spoilt by the illuminations, but we'll let that slide. Had a very nice time on the roller coasters. However, now break time is over, and we're back in the scare zones. This one's called The Lost, and we're invading some space in the Space Invader. building.
Just get your tickets ready.
Hands up if you're scared.
We know what we're doing.
Nothing screams terror like Dora the Explorer. Just realised that this is going to be the first actual maze of the evening. Suddenly, a lot more tense than I was before.
Fear will find you some.
Be scared and I'll be scared. I'm panicking! Oh no! Go! Go! Oh my god! I'll be honest, that was the scariest maze I've ever done. There was jump scares, there were props, there were physical set pieces, and there was this dude that was about 12 feet tall.
Satan himself.
It was so good. The best maze I've ever done at Blackpool Pleasure Beach, and seeing inside the old Space Invader 2 building, that thing is huge. The scares continue. Oh no. Stranger danger. Really hope no one's wearing a pig mask in here. Oh, you're kidding me! You're kidding me! That is. Oh, I'm scared of the dark. Alarmed looking people. And jump scares everywhere. So we just did hell tunnels. It was really creepy in there. A few jump scares, but not too many. It wasn't quite as intense as the last one we did, The Lost. But oh wow, the theming was incredible. It was so immersive, and it really felt like you were stuck there. Next up, Freak House. And from the facade, this one looks so cool. I'm actually excited for it. However, you do enter through a massive clown, and clowns are actually my biggest fear. It's a mirror maze. Whoa, no, with actors in it. No, don't. You pointed at something that scared me a lot. What was it?
It was just a
Whoa, go! I'm sorry, but I can't. Are you scared? No, you're scared. Yo, he's got a chainsaw. Can I cut in front of you? Woohoo! That was so much fun. It was actually not the scariest maze. It was more just funny and entertaining. And inside it looks so cool. Whoa. So far it's had a nice variety of jumpy mazes, rides in the dark, funny mazes, and immersive mazes. I'm loving it.
We're doing this singular.
Sadly, the ghost train isn't on.
It's a ghost train.
And
There's no one in there.
thanks for that, Carl. I'm having an emotional experience right now.
I'm trying to cheer you up, Sam.
Thank you, I really appreciate it. Have you had a good night anyway?
Yeah, no, it's been really good.
Yeah, it has actually.
Yeah. You seen this, Emma? Doing a link now on our vlog. Oh, I'm not even there. Do you know what?
Top thrill tourist now, isn't it?
Oh,
Where's
don't
the
even
plural
joke with
gone?
that.
Sadly, we wasn't able to do the ghost train and the Pleasure Beach Express, which is the train that goes around the park, but they might have had actors around. However, we managed to do 6 out of the 8 attractions here, and they were all very good, a nice variety. My favourite was The Lost or the Clowns. Ah! Excuse me, I'm trying to vlog. Do you want to say? Do you speak? No. I'm so scared. It's a good event. Definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching. Like the video. Bye! Ciao, legends.
That was good, wasn't it? Please, sir, can we have some more? You don't have to call me sir. But here's your link. Click it. Sir Pun a lot would sound cool though.